Hey, you guys, got a pretty cool DIY project here. So I got this table here from a buddy of mine, and I needed a rolling table to work on that moved around, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do for the top on it. I was just going to make some stuff out of pallets, maybe like a butcher block type of thing, put them all together. And he goes, hey, I got this thing sitting in the back for that table that'll work for that table. So check this out. The table's got casters on it too. It was an old pizza oven table. Got a chunk of old bowling alley laying. Pretty cool. So it's made of maple. This thing is so heavy. It almost takes 2 people to move this thing. But it's got some damage. Needs some. It's got some water damage to it. Let's see if I can revive this thing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and snap a line on here. Cut line. Well, because this piece is so thick, my handsaw wouldn't go all the way through it. Holy cow, that was tough to saw through. And I think I see why. They got nails going horizontally, so I'm like trying to chop nails in half. That is a bear. See that? That explains a lot. Okay, what I did now is just snap the line where I want to cut this side off. I just went 2 inches in. That's all I was trying to do, is a little plunge cut. I need to cut the rest with a Sawzall. All right, cut that end off. Okay, here's another fun part. I gotta take these boards off so it sits flat on that cart. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, but look at all those nails. I'm just gonna kind of chip at it like that, break it in half, and then I can scoop the nails up like that and pull them out that way. Making progress. Just chipping away and pulling them out as I get access to them. Whew, that one was tough to get off there. Got them both off. There's all the nails I pulled out of that thing. Okay, now I'm gonna clean all this up and then start hitting it with the sander. All right, I got this 3M 80 grit coarse. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shot. I'm just making sure this edge is straight. So I scribed a line across there. You can still see it's not totally perfect, but scribed a line across there. A little area right there I still need to fix. Just see, I still got some black showing there, so I need to come through and just get that area right there and then square it off to a 90. All right, just put another coat of poly on there. All right, I got 42 and a 16th here for my overall width on this. Well, now it's time to drill a few holes in this stuff here. All right, successfully got all the white trim on there. Before I put that bed rail in, I'm actually gonna go ahead and anchor the table now to the tabletop, to the rest of the cart there from underneath. Okay, getting ready to secure the cart to the table from the bottom. I just flipped it over. One thing I did was just make sure that I had the right distance from there to there on all 4 sides. That way it's nice and even. I'll go ahead and drill it and stick it in with lag bolts. All right, I got my 2 pieces cut. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with this. Okay, Okay, I've got the cart secured to the tabletop. Now I'm just adding these bed rails here. It's gonna give it some stability all the way out to here. So I painted them, cut them and painted them. I'm just gonna go ahead and drill them and then secure it to the tabletop too. All right, I got the rails all attached down there, screwed in. I'm ready to flip it over. All right, next thing I want to do to this table is put some corner brackets on here. All right, now that paint's dry on these, I'm gonna go ahead and slap these on the corners.